To be honest, I am tired, girl. I've been filming videos back to back to back to back to back. Okay, so we back at it again with the Black Friday, July 1st of Black Friday, and the Hot Roll and Relax Saving Challenge. So we're gonna start with the, first of all, let me get my money. Okay, got my money for it. And we're gonna roll a D2. We're gonna use the same purple marker that you saw me use yesterday. So this one, it gets $1. You see, if you can see, it's $1. And we're about to put it in here. And this is from Diamond Budgets. It's on her comfy. And we're gonna put this away because y'all will see this again pretty soon. And then we back to the Hot Roll and Relax from Bookish Mama Budgets. And if I roll a 2 or a 3, if I roll a 3 again, no, if I roll a 2, it's gonna be okay. Thank God. Oh, girl. Okay, that one look a little janky. Okay, so we'll be done with this pretty soon. And yeah, we just got 2 more days and you won't see this again until August. Okay, let me put my money away. And we're gonna get started on the July group play. First, let me get my money. Where's my money? Okay, hold on. Ooh, girl. Oh. Girl, I didn't even think about doing this. Okay, we're gonna have to catch up on that too. Okay, so here is my July group play thing. Yeah, I didn't even think about doing roll field savings goals. Okay, so we don't have to catch up on that soon too. Okay, so I have $25 here, which I'm just gonna stick in here and put $25. Oops, not 15. I'm gonna put $25 on the calculator. And we're gonna roll a D6 for these 2 days. And let me get a mark. Okay, let's use this one. Okay. I'm gonna sit up on here so you guys can see. So we have a 2 for the first roll. And a 1. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the big numbers down here. We're gonna do the, if you can see, we're gonna do the 7 to cross that off. And then we're gonna go here. I'm gonna use a D4. Let me get a game piece. Okay. Hope you guys can see. Yes. Oop. And all this is on my Ko-fi. Okay, so 3. Let's go one more time. Oh, wait, no. Oh, Jesus. It's supposed to be, it's supposed to be, I moved 3 spaces. Okay. We're gonna start here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We landed on this little guy. And we're gonna do this one. I'm gonna cross him off. Okay, let's go again. Okay, 1 minus 2, which is 9. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, which is a 1. Okay, 1, 2. I'm trying to make it around the board once. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's see what this is gonna give me. one. Ooh, girl, I can't do that. Okay, so we're gonna start here next week, and then I will do a bonus at the bottom, because you're not about to take out my money, and I just started. So I do have these as catch-alls. So we're gonna start with the purple one, and we're gonna color in 2. And my $25 is gone that quick. Yes, if you're a member of my Ko-fi, you can get this group play, this full group play. It comes with 2 minis, 2 tinies, a full page, and the group play itself, and then extra one. So I think that's really cute, and there's Care Bear theme. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed my Saturday video. Your girl is on a roll. If you made it this far in the video, put a purple heart. Thank you.